To me, an experience in luxury is treating every client like family, from the very first contact until the property closes, and then clients for life.
I personally believe that the concept of luxury is about delivering exceptional service to each and every client and to our family of agents. This is why we stand out in the crowd.
Being a boutique brokerage, we very much specialize in the experience each and every client has with our brokerage and our agents. And really just making sure that we're very educated and that we have all the tools and services that any client could ever need.
To provide a luxury experience means always going above and beyond, and accepting the norm as a benchmark is never acceptable. It always has to be in addition to. It has to be bigger than, more than, or in abundance of. And that's what luxury is to me. It's going the extra mile, always in every way.
For me, Forest Hill is a lifestyle connecting our clients with our agents whose aim is to negotiate their real estate journeys.
The way we provide that experience in luxury to our agents and our clients is being, instead of 1,000% better at one thing, we're 1% better at 1,000 things.
Our goal is to give each and every client a seamless experience. And that would be meaning exceptional communication with your clients, with the sellers, with the buyers, and it's having the utmost integrity and trying to give your best and the ultimate professionalism you can.
We've got the folks here to do the job. Now it's our job as a brokerage to supply them with cutting-edge technology, whether it's social media, whether it's websites, no matter what it is that we're offering. You know, we're not just going to pull out our phone and take a video and shoot it up on social media. It's about employing the right people to do the job and always make the final product better than the average. Again, like we said, as far as luxury goes, it's not about meeting the mark. It's about surpassing the mark laid by others.